we keep moving and moving and moving till we move humanity. Motion driven by heart.
At Alpha, we're creating electric vehicles that are based on our culture. And our culture is influenced by where we're from. California. California is a place that's warm, it's cool, it's a place that welcomes everyone. And this is the exact feeling we want everyone to have when they're driving the Wolf truck. We're excited for the unveiling of the Wolf truck in its test vehicle form next week. The results of the test vehicle gave us confirmation to move forward in our production development. This is not just about one vehicle. There's another one on the way, and another one after that. We're in continuous development of the Wolf truck to achieve mass production. I'm Edward, founder and CEO of Alpha Motor Corporation. My background is automotive R&D with a focus on design for manufacturing. Design for manufacturing is making innovation accessible. Innovation to us is an experience, one that's fun to drive, that's sustainable, and built to be accessible for people to enjoy. And that's exactly our focus at Alpha. We're designing our business to be able to efficiently deliver the experience. We're doing away with traditional methods and improving upon traditional automotive manufacturing and operations to enable us to provide accessible electric vehicle solutions for people. The base model of the Wolf truck is a beauty. It's simple, it's modern, it's a straightforward utility work truck. This goes beyond your weekend getaway adventure vehicle. It's the kind of truck that you'd want to drive every day. Alpha is motion driven by the heart of people who are passionate to bring our electric vehicles to the market, the heart of people who can't wait to drive our cars, and the heart of people who have been supporting us from day one. We deeply express our gratitude for your support. And as we've said before, the best part of creating cars is seeing people love and enjoy them. We look forward to moving ahead in our developments and creating amazing electric vehicles together.
Motion driven by heart.